In 3/4 of a mile, take the exit on the right to I-95 South towards Savannah.
I am in southeast South Carolina, and I see palm trees everywhere. It is 63 degrees, and yesterday I left Ohio, and they had about 12 inches of snow where I was, up along the lake. So this is heaven for me. Gosh, I hope I can stay down here for a while. Keep me south of the Mason-Dixon, please. That cold weather hurts my bones. Well, hello there, Deputy with the canine.
Take the exit on the right to I-95 South towards Savannah.
I know, she's very bossy, isn't she? So close to Florida, yet so far away. But at least I got to see some palm trees. My luck, I'll probably be heading to like upstate New York or something like that where it's cold again. Michigan or... Oh yeah, I mean, you can turn in front of a truck. That's totally cool. I won't have to run my bunk heater tonight. 64 degrees. That's better than the 14 degrees it was last night in West Virginia. Whew, that was cold last night.
Continue on I-95.